Alright, so I'm going to be changing out the headlights in this Volkswagen Polo. Currently, these two side lights, the ones that are here, I think, and the main beam and the forgot what it's called. The main beam and the high beam have already been changed out with some already different headlights. There's some cool original blue or cool blue headlights. I'll put a picture of them on the screen now. But I'm going to be changing them out with these. Not sure if they're any good or any better, but they should be some white lights that are hopefully better than the ones I have in there now. And I'm also going to swap out the little LED looking light thing on the inside with one that's white as well, so that the whole look of the car at night will be better. Let's open up the box here real quick. So inside you just get two bulbs. They're H7. It's the size of them. This is what they look like. If it will focus. Yeah, kind of, but you get the point. That's what they look like. Set those to one side. So, first of all, with this sort of headlight, you have to take it out. Can't do it whilst it's in the car. There's not enough space at the back. Maybe you could, but it would just be a lot more hassle. To be honest, I can't be bothered to go for the hassle, so I'm just going to take out the headlight altogether. If I'm not mistaken, it should be a T25 to take these out. Yeah, it feels a bit loose in there, but I'll try a T27. Yeah, that fits a lot nicer. So T27 seems to be the way. Just get out this regular screwdriver. Just undo the two bolts, one here, one here. Alright, one down, one to go. Just gonna get this one over here. Alright, now that they're both out, set this here. I have to tug on it quite hard, because there's some clips at the bottom that these are stuck into. There we go. Now you can just unclip it from here. There we go. Headlight is out. take off this rubber thing and this rubber thing, and you'll see the light inside. Let's take off that one. I'll take off this one. Now on the inside here, you have one light here, and the same on this side. One of the lights here, and then this little one back here. Not sure if you can see it. That's the little light I'm going to replace with an LED. So you just get your hand in there, twist it to the left, and pull. And there's one out. And you do the same on this side. Get your hand in there, twist, and pull. Oh, oops. Then, to get the light out of this thing it's stuck in, you just grab it by the sides and just wiggle it a bit and pull, and it comes out. These are still good, so I'm going to keep them in case these lights go bad or don't work. Now, to get out this little light here, not sure if you can see that, it's just in here. Not sure it's the right way to do it, but I just grab on the wire because they're not stuck in there too good. I just pull on the wire like that, and then it comes out. And now you see it's stuck in this. With this, you just grab the light and pull it out of its enclosure like this. Just a little tiny light, looks like this. So I'll set that to one side. I'm going to grab the other light. Here's the other LED little lights. So I'll put these in first. I don't think it's good to grab it by the LEDs or by this bit, but I find no other way to hold it, so grab it here and then slot it inside the little groove bit that you see there. And here's the little LED I'm going to be putting in. And this just slots right into here. Just push it in, make sure it's in there. Once it's good, just got to pop it back in its little hole, which is right down here. You can get a finger in there and just push it in. Now it's in there, all nice and snug. Then just put back in the other light, which is here. Alright, and put the headlight up a bit. Just going to look down here a bit, and it is on. Alright, so now I'm just going to flick through the rest of the light settings and see if the rest of the lights work. Alright, So one LED's working, it's the only thing that should be on at the moment. And the other's working. Just gonna flick that onto this one. LED and this light are working. Go on this side, LED, this light are working. It's brilliant. I'll turn on the high beam real quick. Now we can see the high beam is working. And the other high beam is also working. These are the indicators. I haven't done anything with those, so they will also work. So now I'm just going to put back on this little rubber piece and screw the lights back in. Just going to take this out again. Put the rubber piece on. And then shove the light back in there. So you just put it back into place and then push. Now that's in there. I'm going to take the two screws and screw these back up in there as well. And now the other side. Well, I'll come back when it's dark and show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is what the headlights look like at night, but these are the old ones that I'm about to replace. Yeah, so these lights look a lot more orange than the other ones, because these are the original lights that came in the car, whereas the other ones are upgraded ones that I bought to look nicer. But they're all original, they would all have this yellowy colour like what these ones have. Here's just a quick walk around view of what the lights look like. Alright, so it's finally night, and these are what the lights look like at night. Alright, I'm going to take it off the stand and give it a little walk around as well. I'm not sure if you can tell, but it's much better than they were before. Like, it actually looks nice and white and good. I'm filming this on my phone, so that's why it probably doesn't come out that well, and maybe you can't see it that much, but it's actually so much better. It's a night and day difference. Personally, I'd recommend them. They're quite good. Here's the little LEDs just by himself on. And yeah, so that's it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you have any tips on how I can improve the videos or make them more interesting, that would be greatly appreciated. But yeah, until then, that's it. I'm out.